To begin with, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Faisal Naseem and I am from the city Lucknow in India, which is actually famous for its history and cultural heritage. Coming to my academic background, I have done my post-graduation in mass communication with the majors in broadcast technology from AJKMCRC, Jamia Islamia, New Delhi in the year 2013, and I have done my bachelor's in electronics and communication from Integral University in the year 2010. And talking about my professional background, I have a work experience of more than 2 years with Ericsson, and I was working as a network engineer over there, in which the major job responsibility of mine was to deploy the network at Sprint site in the US. The project was outsourced to India, and my major role was to be the center point for to communicate with the project managers, with the material coordinators, the vendors and the installation technicians, and to keep every stakeholders updated about the project. There were instances when I managed more than 250 projects at the same time and delivered every project within SLA and quality. And I got regular appreciation from the customer as well. I learned a number of skills from my job, like the networking technologies in the IT domain. Then I also learned project management, organization management, and trainings and skill development, innovation, client servicing skills, pressure handling, multitasking, and so many things to be, which actually made me a more developed person professionally. My hobbies and area of interest are watching movies, listening music, meeting new people, being socially active on social media channels, and eating, dreaming, and filmmaking. And I have been associated with many projects, small film projects, as an editor, scriptwriter, which were some of them were based on the social issues also present in India these days. Now the question comes, why should I be hired? I am creative, I am looking for new things. I know experiments are dangerous, but routine is lethal. So I always look for the new things to be done, or maybe the same thing to be done in a new way. I am a person with a helping attitude, a good team member, and most importantly, I am very ambitious, and this makes me go an extra mile to achieve the things, the goals that I have and the people associated with me have. Now, why am I looking for this opportunity? I strongly believe that this opportunity will provide me a chance to grow and expand globally and learn from the world and the great minds of the organization as well. I will find myself fortunate to be a part of an organization and to learn different aspects of a field that I want to be a part of. And I believe that the things that I will be learning in the organization and from you people will be an asset to me for a lifetime and will shape my career. So if you think that I am the candidate who fits in the requirement you are looking for, then please contact me at my email address faisalnaseem06@gmail.com or at my mobile number 9711169336. +91 is the pre-code for India. So thanks for watching and hope we meet soon. Till then, take care.